Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and in this pattern we used the nested for loop to build the code in C language. So we declare three variables of integer type I, J and K. I variable is used for outer loop, and J variable is used for inner loop, and K variable is used for spacing. So firstly we declare three variables I, J and K of integer type, and now we create outer for loop with three parameter. Firstly we initialize I equals to 0 and check condition if I less than 5, and I increment to 1. And outer for loop is basically used for moving the rows, and inside this outer for loop we create two inner loop, and first inner loop is for spacing and second inner loop is for moving the columns. So firstly we create inner loop is for spacing, so we initialize first inner loop with the help of k variable, and we initialize k equals to 0 and check condition if k less than 5, if k less than 5 minus I, and k increment to 1. And inside this spacing loop we print space. Now we create second inner loop inside this outer for loop for columns. So we used j variable, and we initialize j equals to 1, j equals to I. We initialize j equals to I and check condition if j greater than equals to 0, and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner loop we print firstly we used percentile c specifier because this is a alphabetic pattern, so always we used percentile c specifier, and we print inner loop variable that is j, because this is a column wise pattern. In each columns alphabets are constantly repeated, so we used j plus 65 logic, and outside both of these inner loop we used backslash n for new line, because backslash n is used for new line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you compiled this program there is no error and it is successfully compiled. And when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below. इनिशियली यहाँ पे आई की वैल्यू 0 है, के की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 है, और यहाँ पे हमने चेक किया कंडीशन के में कि 5 माइनस आई, तो आई की वैल्यू 0 थी, तो के की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है के लेस देन होना चाहिए 5 माइनस आई मीन्स 5 माइनस 0 मतलब 5, तो के यहाँ पे 5 से कम है, कंडीशन ट्रू हुई, तो यहाँ पे एक स्पेस हो गया. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स स्पेस होगा फर्स्ट रो के लिए. देन उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपकी जे की वैल्यू प्रिंट हो जाएगी, और इसी तरीके से आपका लॉजिक बन जाएगा. इसको ड्राई एंड रन करके देखना तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी कंसर्न यू कैन आस्क मी, और it is the simplest way to build the code, and it is the efficient way to understand this code. So I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you all understand the basics of pattern programming, and we move to the advanced level of pattern programming. So stay tuned for future updates. I know one